This is part 2 of the cat digestive system tutorial. First off is the rugae. The rugae are folds in the muscle lining of the stomach that allow for expansion when the stomach fills with food. Next is the liver. The liver processes every class of nutrients. The liver removes amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose from the blood and stores them in large molecules. It also detoxifies drugs and alcohol and breaks down excess hormones that are not being used. The liver uses nutrients to make cholesterol, blood proteins, bile, and lipoproteins. It also destroys bacteria and other foreign matter that has managed to get through the walls of the digestive tract. Next is the gallbladder. The gallbladder stores bile that is backed up from the stomach when the stomach is not digesting. It lies deep to the liver on the inferior surface. The common bile duct connects the duodenum to the gallbladder and the liver. It splits into the cystic duct and the hepatic duct. The pancreas is a large secretory gland that releases enzymes into the duodenum. It also releases the hormones glucagon and insulin into the blood for blood sugar regulation. The small intestine is broken up into 3 different sections. Collectively, it is an organ that food goes into after the stomach is done with digestion. All 3 sections of the small intestine release brush border enzymes. The first section is the duodenum. This is where bile and pancreatic juices are released into. It slows the secretion of gastric juices with the secretion of hormones. The middle section is the jejunum, which breaks down the chyme into smaller molecules, building blocks for later use. The last section is the ileum. It connects to the cecum of the large intestine, and it also breaks down chyme into smaller molecule building blocks. Next is the mesenteric blood vessels. These are blood vessels in the mesentery that bring nutrients from the small intestine to the liver via the hepatic portal vein to be processed further. The hepatic portal vein carries blood into the liver from the mesenteric blood vessels. The large intestine is broken up into multiple parts: the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, and rectum. The large intestine houses bacteria that metabolizes some of the remaining nutrients, releasing gases and vitamin K and D. Absorption of some vitamins, some ions, and most of the remaining water occurs here. The anal opening is an opening at the end of the intestinal tract used for defecation. Smooth muscle and skeletal muscle allows for voluntary and involuntary control.